Assam. As being this is a serious matter, I do feel Honorable Supreme Court has realized the fact why the Tripura and Assam is different with other states. So we do feel that the Honorable Supreme Court will take a great step regarding the Tripura and Assam's regards. In this regard, once again we feel that be implemented in the state of Tripura, and we welcome the decision of the Honorable Supreme Court. I'm not the person to reply all these things because it is the Honorable Supreme Court. They have taken the decision because they knew or they known the matter, how the deep the fact is.